In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address on your Wix account. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few minutes by following a series of simple steps. Let's dive right in so you can make sure your account information is current and secure. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account using your existing login details. Head to the Wix website, and if you're not automatically logged in, enter your username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which is a key starting point for navigating your account settings. Go ahead and click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Account Settings. Now that you're in the Account Settings area, your next task is to locate the section labeled Login Info. This is where your current email address is stored along with other login details. Look for the Edit button next to your account email. It's the button you'll need to click to begin updating your email address. Once you've clicked Edit, you'll be prompted to enter your current Wix account password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to your account information. So go ahead and input your password when requested. After that, the next screen will provide you with a couple of fields where you'll need to enter your new email address. Be sure to type it carefully, as you'll be asked to enter it again in the next field to confirm that it's correct and you haven't made any typos. After confirming your new email address, click Next. At this point, you'll need to perform a quick verification step to complete the update process. Head over to the inbox of your new email that you just entered. Wix will have sent you a message containing a 6-digit verification code. Once you have the code in front of you, return to Wix and enter this code on the verification page provided for you. It's important to make sure you input the code correctly, as this step confirms that you have access to the new email address and that it belongs to you. Finally, after typing in the verification code, simply click Submit. This action finalizes the change, updating your Wix account with your new email address. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your email, ensuring that you'll receive all important Wix communications at your preferred address. Maintaining accurate and up-to-date account details is crucial for managing your online presence effectively, and now you're all set. Thanks for joining me.